Hello everyone, welcome to part 134 of Laravel 10 series in which we're creating the e-commerce website. So we'll start working on the Laravel vouchers now. Okay, advanced coupon code functionality. Okay, so uh, I'm going to tell you that we are going to create the coupons table in this video and we'll add the dummy coupons. Okay, so these are the fields that we are going to add for the coupons table. We are going to add ID, coupon option, coupon code, categories, brands, users, coupon type, amount, expiry date, status, created at and updated at. Okay, so these are the fields that we are going to add in the admin panel. Like first one is the coupon option. Okay, so coupon option can be manual or automatic. So in manual, the admin will type his own coupon, like the admin can add test 10 coupon or any other coupon, like the test 10 means the 10% off discount if the admin want to give, or any other coupon like in manual the admin can add the festive coupon, or admin can add the Christmas coupon, anything. Okay, according to the event the admin can able to generate any kind of coupon. Okay, with any name of the coupon. Okay, but in automatic it automatically generates the coupon code. Okay, so in manual the admin will generate the coupon code of his own, but in automatic the system will automatically generate, like some kind of such kind of the coupon will get generated. Okay, so next field is the coupon code, in which the coupon is going to store. Okay, whether it is manual or automatic, it is going to store in the coupon code field. Okay, so see, it's automatically generated in the backend. Okay, like if there is the manual, then the field is there. In that field the admin is going to generate this coupon like festive, but in case of automatic, this is automatically get generated, and it will be something like this. Okay, so this is the coupon code field. Okay, so after that, see here, it's the single, multiple, or all categories. So this coupon, whether it is manual or automatic, is generated for the single or multiple or all categories. Okay, so whether it's like in the website, I'm going to show you like this. These are the categories, these are subcategories, subcategories. Okay, so this coupon is valid for all the categories, or not, or some specific category, like this coupon is just for the t-shirts. So the admin is required to just select the t-shirts. Okay, so we are going to show all these drop down. So admin is just going to select the t-shirt if this coupon is available for the t-shirts only. Okay, but if the coupon is available for all the categories, then admin is going to select all. Okay, so it will work like this. Same like the brands, that the coupon is for the single brand or multiple brand or all brands. Okay, so same for the user, that the coupon is for the single user or multiple user or for the all users. So the admin can able to select all these kind of things for the coupon code. So that's why we call it as the advanced coupon code functionality. Okay, so in coupon type, the admin can able to generate the single or multiple time, like for the single time the coupon is going to be availed just once by the user, but in multiple time the user can able to avail it as many times as he want. Okay, so in amount type, the percentage or fixed, like if there is the percentage, like I have explained you earlier, like if the coupon is just for the particular percentage, like the 10%, 15%, 20%, then we are going to select the percentage. Otherwise, if coupon is for the fixed amount, then we are going to add the amount there. Okay, like so this is the amount field, like the admin can select the percentage here. Then when he will add the 10, so it means it's the 10%. Okay, so with the help of the coupon, the customer can able to get the 10% of the total order. Okay, total order amount. But if the coupon is fixed, then this 10 is just straight away minus from the total amount. Okay, so for the fix, the admin can add 100 INR or $100, okay, anything. Okay, so that amount is going to subtract straight away from the total amount. Okay, so this is the percentage or fixed coupon, and in amount, like I've explained you, that we are going to add this amount. And after that, the expiry date of the coupon, so the admin is going to, we are going to show the calendar. In that calendar, the admin is going to set the expiry date for the coupon. And finally, the enable and disable, so the admin want to make the coupon active or inactive. So these are the fields we are going to add for the coupon functionality. Okay, so let's start creating the table, coupons table for it. Okay, so we are going to create the table with the migration command. I'm going to run the migration command straight away. So I'm going to run, this is my project 10, right click services, new terminal folder. Here I'm going to run the command php artisan make migration and migration. Okay, so I'm going to create the table, create coupons table. Okay, so after creating the table, then we are going to see, I'm going to open this migration file. Sorry, after creating the migration file for the table, we are going to open this one, create coupons table. Okay, here it is. So here I am going to add all the columns like I mentioned earlier. So table, first one is the coupon code. So after that, sorry, first one is the coupon option. Okay, in coupon option, whether the coupon is whether automatic or manual. Okay, after that, coupon code. After that, we are going to add the categories in test. Okay, I'm going to add the categories. Category IDs will come here. All the categories IDs 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma. Okay, if he can select all, then all the categories IDs will come up here. So if there are hundreds of the categories, then so many IDs will come here. So that's why we have added the test here. After that, we are going to add for the brands. Okay, all the brands ID will come here. After that, we are going to add here the users, all the user IDs will come here. Okay, so after that, we are going to add the coupon type. We are going to add the string for the coupon type. Okay, so after coupon type, we are going to add amount type. Okay, after amount type, we are going to add the amount. Okay, float, in float I'm going to give in decimal amount. After amount, we are going to add the expiry date of the coupon, and then the status of the coupon, tiny integer 1 or 0. That's it. Okay, check once. Coupon option, coupon code, categories, then brands, then users, then coupon type, amount, expiry date, status. Okay, I think we have added all. Okay, so now we can run the php artisan migrate command. Okay, so here the coupons table has been generated. Okay, we're going to check here coupons table. Yes, it is fine, it has been generated. You can see the coupons table has been generated. Okay, so now we are going to add some dummy coupons, but first of all, we are going to add going to create the model as well as the controller for the coupon. First of all, we are going to create the model, php artisan make model, coupon model we are going to create. Okay, so after that, we are going to create the controller, admin coupons controller. Okay, in admin we have created the coupons controller, and now we are going to create the seeder file for adding some of the dummy coupons. PHP artisan make seeder coupons table seeder. Okay, so here we are going to open this file coupons table seeder. So first of all we are going to include the model here, coupon model. Use app models, coupon model we are going to add. Now we are going to add the query here, so that we can add here the multiple records of the coupon records. So this seeding will help us to generate the coupons at any time for testing. ID like ID1. After that coupon option like we are going to add the manual option like I have explained you. For manual we are required to add the coupon of our own coupon code. The admin is required to add the coupon, like if admin add the test 10 coupon, test 10, like if the 10% of discount, then after that categories. In categories admin is going to add the categories. Okay, like the categories IDs will come. We can select some of the categories, like I'm going to open the categories table here. Okay, and we'll see here like the coupon is applicable for all three main categories I'm going to add. Okay, or even I can add all the categories IDs in this one. Like if the coupon is for all the categories, then we are going to mention all. Okay, suppose like this coupon is for all the categories, then I'm going to add like comma, then I'm going to add all the categories here. And if it is for some particular categories, then only those IDs we are going to add. Okay, so that's why we have taken the test data type for the categories. Okay, so after categories we are going to add for the brands. Okay, after categories, yeah, brands are there. So we need to see that coupon is for all the brands or for some of the brands. Okay, so brands we have already added here. You can see the and we have added some of the brands here. We have added these brands here, like the coupon is for just for the two brands. Okay, first two, then we are going to add here the brands like 1, 2 like this. Okay, so after brands we are going to add here coupon type. Okay, coupon type is single, and after coupon type amount type is percentage. Okay, so amount is like 10%. Okay, so expiry date we can add something like 2024. Okay, 12/31. Okay, like this. Then finally the status is, I'm going to add status as 1. Okay, so I'm going to add one more coupon here, just like this, add comma and add this. Now the ID is 2. For this one again I'm going to use the manual coupon, and here I'm going to add like test 20, and for test 20 I want to add this coupon for all these categories once again. And one thing I think one thing is missing here. We forgot to add the users here. Okay, after brands we are going to add the users here, whether this coupon is for the specific users or for all the users. Okay, so here if this coupon is for all the users, then we are not going to fill anything. Okay, it means that this coupon is for all the users. But if in case I added one or multiple users, then this coupon belongs to those users. Okay, so here what I'm going to add like users, and this, suppose this coupon is just belongs to one user, like this coupon is just belong to me. Okay, so I can just add the user ID, or we can give the email as well. Okay, uh, so here I'm going to see the users. Okay, yeah, so here, like this coupon, if belongs to one particular user, so I can add the email of the user amit100@uofmail.com. You can either add the ID or the email. Okay, email is better because you can straight away ask the user to the admin can able to select the emails there, and those emails you can straight away select, you can straight away save into your coupons table. Okay, so you can show the emails, or otherwise you can uh, just fetch the ID from the email and can save the user ID as well. Okay, it's your wish. Okay, so here, so this one, this coupon is belong to this particular user, and this coupon, maybe we are going to add like 20% of coupon like this. Okay, and one more coupon I am going to add here. Okay, okay, here I'm going to add the three coupon option, this time automatic. Okay, we have given, yeah, coupon option automatic. Okay, manual or automatic, once again I'm going to open this one. Yeah, manual or automatic. Okay, so in case of automatic, the coupon can be anything, like the coupon can be any kind of like this one. Okay, automatically get generated, and this coupon belongs to all the categories once again, and brands as well, and for all the users. And this time, this coupon time type, I'm going to add here multiple. Suppose if I want to give ask the user to use it for the multiple times. Okay, and amount type, so amount type, this time I'm going to make it fixed. Okay, I'm going to add the fixed coupon this time, and I will add the 100 USD or INR, and like this. Okay, so this is one automatic and two manual coupons we are going to generate. Okay, so finally this one, and now coupon, insert here dollar coupon records. Okay, so I'm going to open here database table, database seeder, and here I'm going to add one more. We'll comment this one, the last one, and here I'm going to add the coupons table seeder. I'm going to call this coupon table seeder. So I'm going to run the final command php artisan db seed to generate the dummy entries for the coupons. Okay, so you can see the dummy entries for the coupons here. I'm going to show you the coupons that we able to generate, these three coupons. Okay, in the admin panel, in the coupons table, you can see we able to generate these three coupons. Okay, so it seems to be working fine. Okay, so now we are going to show these coupons in the admin panel. In the next video, we are going to work on in the admin panel. We are going to show the coupons module in the admin panel. We are going to display all these coupons with active, inactive, and delete functionality. So please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.